Are you sure? Okay. Um, Hi guys, I'm Lika. During this weird time, I have decided to run some remote classes since we are all stuck at home. And here I have a kind of a home studio. I think that it'll be very helpful for us to get busy, and hopefully kids will join me for the project. So I'm super happy to see everybody. Although I can't really see you guys, but I do hope that you'll post your pictures and you'll post your art, and I'll be able to see it, and so we'll be able to communicate. So for the first tutorial, I thought, what can we do since we are all stuck at home? And for me, something that really stands out is plants. I'm gonna make a cactus, this guy right here, and color it with what I have. Let's start. I'm gonna start with the drawing, and then I will be using color pencils and a little bit of markers to give it more contrast. Really don't choose anything that is too complicated to begin with, and so you don't get frustrated that you cannot really draw it. And I like to start with the simplest shapes I see. I would probably call it a finished product. I'm gonna show it to the camera. Once again, there is our cactus, and it is from more or less about somewhere here. I miss you all so much and can't wait to see your art. We'll figure out the way of posting it soon. Stay healthy, stay happy, and be nice to your parents. Clean your rooms, and I love you. Bye, guys.